Termites are the best tactics the world have never seen. They can build their own castles or termite mound out of soil, water, and their own saliva. These small creatures have amazing ecological tactics, where the tallest termite mound was recorded at 10 to 12 meters or 42 feet high. This mound was found in the Republic of Congo, as cited in the Guinness World Records. These architects cope and use different techniques through these small castle builders. Termite mound is extremely porous, with the ventilation and circulation of air in the mound, and also settled in sections like nursery chambers, queen's chambers, and also the hanging garden. And the most fascinating thing about all this is that termites are blind. How sad they cannot see the amazing skyscraper they have created. So, how do they do it? This is through the building program, the genetic knowledge stored in their genes, and that is the building program. I am Kibiki, Kibiki. Until next time, ciao.